Here's how to cook a banging chicken tikka masala, the nation's favourite curry.
Make sure to like this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
I've been given the secret to cooking restaurant-style chicken tikka at home, and now you can make it too without the need for a tandoor oven. Let's start by marinating our chicken in the spices, which are garam masala, turmeric, Kashmiri chili powder, amchoor, which is a dried mango powder, some fenugreek, optional red food colouring, mint sauce, mango chutney, and finally some yoghurt. Give this a really good mix, then leave to marinate for at least 2 hours, but overnight is best. Thread onto some skewers, then place onto a rack inside your air fryer drawer and cook it 200 degrees Celsius for 14 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of at least 75°C. This is incredible on its own, but even better when you use it within your favourite curry, like a jalfrezi or this tikka masala. Once cooked, remove from the air fryer and leave to rest while you make the sauce. You are going to need garlic and ginger paste, creamed coconut block, salt, some sugar, ground almonds, mixed curry powder, dried fenugreek, optional red food colouring, evaporated milk, curry-based gravy, and some tomato puree which has been mixed with water. You can find the links to my mixed curry powder and base gravy down in the caption, and it's great to make these ahead of time so you've got them ready to go next time you want to make a banging curry. Heat some ghee or neutral oil in a pan over a medium heat. Add the garlic and ginger paste, then fry for a couple of minutes. Sprinkle in some sugar, some ground almonds, and some creamed coconut block. And you are looking for a nice bit of caramelisation, as this will add the flavour you associate with a British Indian restaurant tikka masala. So get it nice and toasted. Next up are the spices. My mixed curry powder, some dried fenugreek leaves, and some salt, along with some optional red food colouring. Now, if you're using this, it's important that you use the powdered food colouring rather than the liquid stuff you use in cakes. And now for my curry-based gravy. This gives you the flavour and texture you associate with British Indian restaurant-style curries, and you can find out more about it within the link in the caption. Pour into the pan some tomato puree, which has been mixed with boiling water, and then add in the base gravy. When I make up a batch, I don't add lots of water, as this takes up more space in the freezer. Pour in the evaporated milk. Some people like to use cream for this, but trust me, in the restaurants and takeaways within the UK, they are using evaporated milk. So if you want a closer version, make sure you pick some up next time you're in the supermarket. Bring the sauce up to a gentle simmer. You want it just bubbling away and ticking away, reducing down, and this is the texture you are looking for within the sauce. Again, you can add some more water into the pan to loosen the sauce up, but you will lose the intensity and flavour. Then add in the cooked chicken tikka and just simmer this for a couple of minutes just to bring everything together. Now, I like to enjoy this curry with a portion of pilau rice and a fluffy naan just to mop up all of that amazing sauce. And finally, just finish with another drizzle of evaporated milk and a final dusting of some dried fenugreek leaves. Now, thank you so much for the support. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave me a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see me cook next in this series. Banging!